Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file normal tax return step by step. Gather your W-2, Form 1099s and receipts. Organize income and deductible expenses. Choose the correct filing status and claim dependents if applicable. Decide whether to itemize deductions or take the standard deduction. Use an e-file service or tax software and review all entries carefully before submission for accuracy and peace of mind. Let's get started. Begin by completing the main form with your personal details, filing status, and dependents. Then move to income sections and adjustments. Report W-2 wages, Form 1099 income, and any taxable interest or dividends precisely. Enter adjustments like retirement contributions or student loan interest to lower adjusted gross income. Review credits and deductions that apply, and double-check math or run the software error check before proceeding to payment or refund options. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like so you'll see more easy tax walkthroughs and tips in your feed. Quick recommendation. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great during long tax sessions. It makes paperwork less painful and your commute nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals to save a little time and money. Now let's get back to the video. Before you submit, carefully review every entry, use the software audit tool, and confirm direct deposit routing and account numbers. Compare your return totals to your organized documents and ensure withholding and estimated payments are recorded. If you owe, select a payment plan or pay electronically to avoid interest and penalties. If you expect a refund, confirm your refund method. Keep copies of the filed return and all receipts for at least 3 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.